Hi friends, welcome to Tanvi's Garden. I'm back with another video, and in this video I will share with you how I made this core branch for my sweet potato vine plant. Actually, you can add it to any climbers of your garden like money plant, philodendron, monstera. See how beautiful it's looking? It will look more beautiful when the plant will become bushier. So let's get started and watch the video till the end so that you can make it by yourself. Okay, I have taken this branch and now I am cleaning the skin of the branch so that the surface of the branch become even. So I have cleaned the branch and see it will look like this after cleaning. The surface of the branch has become even, and now I'll be able to do my work properly with the branch. Now I will dry the branch in sunlight for about a week because the branch is heavy now, and after drying it will become light. So this is the branch. As you can see, I have dried it in sunlight for a week and it is about a week now and it has become dry now. The first thing you require is coco coir rope. This is coco coir rope. Second thing is gum. I have taken this Fevicol gum to make the stick. Now I am just applying this Fevicol gum over the surface of the stick. I have completed applying gum and now I am going to use this coir rope, and I will roll this rope throughout the branch like this. So you need to roll it all through the branch. Just watch what I am doing. So as you can see, I have completed rolling the whole branch with the coir rope, and it will just look like this. And I have left out this portion because it will remain under the soil in the pot. Again, I will dry it now under the sun for say about half an hour so that the gum which I have applied on the branch get dried up and it sticks to the coir rope. So I have dried the branch, and now what I am doing is I am applying a little bit of color to give it a different look. I am just coloring the tops, and I will make some lines on the branch so that it gives a different look like this. And I will apply 2-3 colors. So I have colored it like this. As you can see, I am almost done with my coloring part. Actually, you can do these colors or you may not. This is completely optional. It is up to you. Without colors also this branch will look very beautiful. I am just adding it as I told before to give it a different look. So I am done with colors. Okay, now I will show you the soil mixture for the sweet potato vine. I have taken 30% of garden soil, 20% of sand, 20% of dry cow dung powder, 20% of coco peat, and 10% of brick dust. So now I will mix all the things together in this container, and I'll mix it such a way that it becomes a perfect mixture and all the things get mixed properly. Actually, this is a perfect soil mixture for this sweet potato vine. Now I am taking this 8-inch pot with a well drainage hole. As you can see here, I will put the stick over here and I will plant the sweet potato vine in it. So just I will put this in the middle of the pot, and I will put some stones so that it stays in its place, and I'll put it around the stick. All the stones I will put like this around it, and so that it becomes a support for the stick as well, for the branch. And I will also put some pieces of bricks in it. Alright, now I will fill the pot with soil mixture which I have prepared, and I will fill the pot say about 60% of the pot I will fill with the mixture. And as you can see, now the branch is standing in the pot, and by getting the support of the soil as well as the stones which I have put earlier. So this is the sweet potato vine plant. and I am just taking it out of the plastic paper in which it is. Actually, I bought this plant from nursery a week earlier, and as you can see, the roots in the plant has really developed well. So look over here, as the root has bounded almost the complete soil, so I will remove some of the soil from the plant. I'll remove slowly, making sure that the roots of the plants are not damaged. Actually, this will help me to repot the plant, and it will also help the plant to easily grow in the new soil in which I will repot it. So this sweet potato vine actually needs a well drained soil, and it grows really well in a shady place, and after planting it I will keep it in a semi shady place so that it grows well. So this is the plant, and it looks really beautiful in a hanging basket, but unfortunately over here it is locked down here, and I cannot go out to buy a hanging pot, so I am planting it in this pot with the core stick which I have made. It will also look beautiful after some days when it will become bushier. So now I will plant it in the pot with the soil mixture which I have made. As you can see, the branches of the plants are trailing, so what I'll do is I will just tie these branches with small pieces of rope. This is a small piece of rope. I will tie all the branches of the plant so that it gives a beautiful look to the plant as well as the core stick which I have made. And you can take off these ropes after some days when the roots of the plant get attached with the core stick. Okay, I am almost done. Now I will water the plant, and I will water the plant until the water drains off through the drainage hole of the pot. So I am pouring the water, and as you can see, the water is coming out through the drainage hole. So I have given enough water, and again I will water it after 1 week. Okay, so I have completed my work, and this is how it will look. So did you like it, friends? Leave a comment in the comment section. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, press the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.